Tabula, a tool for creating animated videos. What is Tabula? Tabula is a program that takes static media and converts it into animated videos. It can take math files produced with some math program, SVG files produced with Illustrator or similar, PNG files produced with Photoshop or similar, and then convert it into videos. Let's take a look. Here is the math files. Here is the SVG. And here are images which are faded up. What can Tabula be used for? You can use it for math, physics, biology, chemistry, education, marketing, instructional videos, and so on. When it comes to SVG and PNG, there are other programs that perform similar function. But what is unique with Tabula is the math part. And that is what I will concentrate on in this video. Here is a math file. I will convert it now to a Tabula video, and a part of the video in the middle is speeded up in order to make video short. Theorem. L'Hopital's rule. Let's state the theorem. If both f of x goes to 0 and g of x goes to 0 as x goes to a, then fx over gx goes to f prime a divided by g prime a as x goes to a. This theorem was first published by Marquis de l'Hopital, who lived 1661 to 1704. He published it in the book that looks like this, and whose title can be translated to Analysis of Infinitely Small Parts of Curved Lines. This book was one of the first textbooks on differential calculus, and it was quite influential. When creating math videos, you normally do it in 2 steps. For instance, you can enter the formulas with TextMax, which is a free program, and it is a wonderful program because you work in the Visivik fashion. That is what you see is what you get. But if you have created your formulas in LaTeX or some other format, you can import it into TextMax and produce a TextMax file. This file you can drag into Tabula and produce a video. What you see down here is a part of the Tabula window. We will look at different playing properties. To play animations, we select the first object and then click on the play button. As you can see, we are using the hand and the pen in our animations. Stop. If we don't want to use the hand, we can select our animations and choose None. And if we now click play, the animations are performed without any pen. As you can see, the animations follow each other. Normally, we don't want to do that. Stop. So in that case, we use presentation, and now we can decide with this next button when the next animation will start. We can also use the repeat button to repeat the last animation. So if we choose one object and click on play, now when we click next, that animation will start, and then it will stop. When we are ready for next animation, we click on next again. If we want to repeat this animation, we click on the repeat button. And so on. Stop. There are other properties we can change for each animation object. For instance, rotation, scale, color, opacity, duration, and much more. We will talk about it in another video. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.